Hello everyone. So let's start writing code 2 to for our first APM test case. So what we have to do? We have to create a Android driver object. Okay, and in Android driver object we have to pass some inputs like which app we want to test, which port our APM server is running. Okay, and where is this app location of this thing. For that we have to create a desired capabilities object. So first let's create a desired capabilities object, which you have used already, like when you have written selenium UI test cases. You have used this design capabilities, nothing, some input you want to provide to your driver. So we have passed through this. So just to desired capabilities. Okay, some issue with my system, I'll copy paste. So our object is created. Okay, after that, desired capability dot set capability. Okay, so set capability we to do. The first thing we have to provide the app location. So for that, just a mobile capability type dot app, and here we have to pass the path. So to pass the path, what we'll do? Let's create a file object, file directory, and I'll tell you what is this new. Again, we are creating a file object. Okay, this file object is created. In file, what will provide the directory location where our app is there. So our app is under source main resources app folder and this test apk. So just type source main resources and app folder. So this is our directory where our application is stored. Now create one more file where we give name is app, new file, where what we'll do, we'll provide this directory location and file name. So our file name is test-app.apk. Okay, now this is created, and what you do now, pass this app here, app.get absolute path. Absolute path will give the path location of this. Okay, so this is done. Now next thing, what we have to provide, we have to provide the mobile device name. So what you do, again set one capabilities, capability name, and here what you again mobile capability type dot device name. And how you get the device name? The device name what we have created in SDK. So what I'll do, let me open Android SDK. Okay, what we'll do, open an Android SDK, then go to AVD manager, tools AVD manager, and what device we created, we have to take that name and provide here. So it's loading, but just go tools AVD manager. Our device name was Anil emulator, so same name we give here, Anil vector. Okay, now next thing what we have to do, we have to provide automation name. Okay, so what is automation name? I'll tell you that. So just set capabilities, again mobile type dot, what you do, you have to do automation name, and here what will you pass, I'll tell you what is this. UI automator 2. What is this? UI automator 2. So what is this? This is framework, is like a framework created by Android developer only to test the Android application. So when we are testing this Android application internally, this will be used. So this is automation name we have to provide. This is a framework kind of the UI automator 2. So this thing we have to do. Now what we have to do now, our design capabilities part is done. Okay. Now what we'll do, we have to create Android driver object. Okay, Android driver, and here we provide Android element. Just give this object is driver equal to new Android Android driver, and what we have to do, just me copy here. So one thing we have to provide this capability, design capability, what we created. Okay. Now one more thing we have to create, we have to provide, that is called our server node server location. If you remember, when you start this Appium, it will give you a port number. Okay, see 000 colon 4723. So this is localhost and is running on, this thing is running on port number 4723. So this detail also provides. So when we run this program, this is our client. Suppose this is our client, it will go to server. From the server, it will interact with our Android device. So we have to give this detail here, that where our server is running. So to create that object, you have to create a URL object, new URL. One second, let me type again. URL, insert URL, what we have to pass? We have to pass one string, and string what we have to pass here is HTTP 127.0.0.1 colon 4723. This 127.0.0.1 is a localhost. Okay, and this is done. Why is giving error? URL is unrecognizable. Let me import. Let's import it. Okay, now again, why is giving error? Okay, we have to throw some exception. Okay, exception. Okay, so our code is ready now. Okay, this what we have done in this, we create a driver desired capability object. Then we have to set this all these values, where we are setting app location. For app location, we have done this. Then device name is nothing but our this device name, and then automation name is UI automator. This is like a framework to run the test case. After that, we create a driver object where we have passed the server, where is the server running, server localhost port number and design capability object. So our initial code is ready. So in next session, we'll run this program. So I'll see you in next session. Thank you so much.